Video Lesson 4 Control Flow Statements in Java. Welcome to our lesson on Control Flow Statements in Java. Control Flow allows you to dictate how your program's code is executed. With these statements, you can make decisions, repeat actions, and create logic. Let's start with if-else statements. This is one of the most basic control flow statements, allowing the program to execute code based on a true or false condition. Example: int number equals 10. If number greater than 5. System.out.println, number is greater than 5. Else system.out.println, number is 5 or less. Next, we have the switchcase statement. It's useful when you have multiple possible values for a single variable and want to execute different code for each case. Here's an example. Int day equals 3. Switch day. Case 1, system.out.println Monday break. Case 2, system.out.println Tuesday break. Case 3, system.out.println Wednesday break. Default, system.out.println other day. Java also has several types of loops that repeat code until a condition is met. First, let's look at the for loop, which is ideal when you know exactly how many times you need to repeat a task. Example: for int I equals 1, I less than equals 5, I plus plus. System.out.println count plus I. This loop will print count 5 times, increasing I by 1 with each iteration. The while loop is another loop type that runs as long as a specified condition is true. This loop is often used when the number of iterations isn't known beforehand. Example: int I gleich 1, while I less than equals 5. System.out.println count plus I plus plus. This loop also prints count 5 times, but the condition is checked before each iteration. Finally, we have the do while loop. This loop is similar to while, but it guarantees at least one execution since the condition is checked at the end. Example: int I gleich 1, do system.out.println count plus I plus plus, while I less than equals 5. Let's review. Control flow in Java enables decision-making with if, else, and switch, and allows you to repeat tasks using loops. By mastering these statements, you can build more dynamic and responsive programs. Java Control Flow, where logic meets repetition.